Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Konica Minolta PagePro 1580 MF printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First step is check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to the YouTube description. In a description, I give two links. First is the Google Drive link and second is the Mega link. If you want to go to the Mega link, then click on the Mega link. If you want to Google Drive link, then click on the Google Drive link. I click on the Google Drive link and Google Drive link is open in a web browser. Here we find download option. Download these drivers. Okay, click on the download or go to the file and click on the download or Ctrl-D on your keyboard. I click on the download. It's redirect you to the another web page of the Google Drive. And here we find download anyway. It's big size file. So I click on the download anyway. Wait for a few seconds. Download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds and download is completed in a few seconds. Download is completed. Go to the downloads. Click on show in folder. Minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our printer driver file or the setup file, and we are going to unzip this file. This is a zip file. Unzip it. Right click on it. Click on the extract files. Click on the OK. It is extracting now. Here we find newly extracted folder or unzip folder. Double click on it. Here we find 32-bit. 32 means 32-bit. If your machine is 32-bit, then go to the 32 folder, and if your machine is 64, then go to the 64 folder. I go to the 64 and here we find the drivers. Close it. Next step is install that drivers. That is also easy and simple. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list at the top, we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on the yes. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In a add a printer, go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. Most IP part of this installation. Click at here and select any USB port that you find. USB J01, USB J02, USB J03, USB J04. Select any USB port that you find. Select any USB port and click on the next. Here we find Havadix. Click on Havadix. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find newly extracted folder or unzip folder. Double click on it. If your machine is 32-bit, then go to the 32 folder. And if your machine is 64-bit, then go to the 64 folder. I go to the 64 folder. My machine is 32-bit, 64-bit. So I go to the 64-bit. I go to the 64-bit. Here we find many files. Select any file that you want. All file contains same printer driver. Select any file and click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find many options. Find Konica Minolta PagePro 1580 ME. Select your folder printer name and click on the next. Here we find Konica Minolta PagePro 1580 MF. You can give any name that you like. Give any name. I go with the same name and click on the next. It's install our printer in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds to install this printer. Our printer is installed. If you want to share in the network, then last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. First option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly working or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Konica Minolta PagePro 1580 MF, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.